I think the Hacker House concept is something that Solana's done a really good job with.
They have.
Yeah, were you at the Hacker House?
It's industry leading.
Yeah.
You know, like other L1s are talking about, we want a Solana Hacker House.
Everyone should do it.
There's some amazing groups in Turkey that are doing really good things week in, week out. I mean, Istanbul Blockchain Week's once a year, but you know, there's great communities like Altcoin Turk community have been amazing. Istanbul Blockchain Women, a great community, you know, regularly putting on events around Turkey, and there's tens and tens of others. And those organizations, and many that I didn't mention, like should get a lot of the spotlight as well, and so we're partnering with a lot of them for Istanbul Blockchain Week, making sure that they're highlighted, you know, have a presence, they're on stage, and like we're all in it kind of together kind of thing. And like I said, those guys have been doing it for years and years now. So I think it's important as well to support them and help them, you know, grow and get the recognition they deserve.
Cool. So actually, we recognized the awesomeness of Turkey as well, and this is something that I've also been talking to Solana about.
Yeah.
And that's what I've been talking to people here in Lisbon about as well, is look, it's literally like the second most important market in terms of daily active users for many of these DeFi apps or NFTs or whatever it might be, is Turkey. That's the case for us. It's been like that ever since we started, really. So it really dawned on us that this should be a place that we're focusing on. So we're actually putting together a conference as well at the start of April, so 31 March to 2nd of April, called Solana Crossroads. And again, we want to bring all of the awesome builders in the Solana ecosystem to Istanbul and just expose people to like, this is such an amazing opportunity here. We got the local ecosystem.
Yeah.
Love to have yourself involved as well. We spoke about
sure.
that. 100% we will.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll have you in flashing lights, you know, up somewhere or something, maybe. But no, look, I think for these L1 ecosystems like Solana as well, are you seeing that it doesn't really matter which sort of L1 ecosystem, as long as more people are getting to understand the opportunities in the Turkish market? Like that's the main thing, right? So.
Well, yeah, I mean, look, I'm quite broad strokes, right?
Yeah.
So I like Solana, but you know, I'm not like a Solana maxi or anything. So as long as the L1s that come in are genuine and they're builders and they are investing in educating people, I'm all for it. So it was great to hear that, you know, you guys are doing exactly that, you know, with Crossroads. And I'd actually love to hear more about the things that you have planned there and how Istanbul Blockchain Week can support what you guys are doing.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, so we're thinking that we need to support the local community as well. So we want it to be something meaningful for local Turks. So I think, you know, native language speaking dev tracks is certainly something that we're going for. Looking to work with Solana on that and maybe a couple of other partners to see if we can bring in, you know, top tier speakers or local speakers or wherever it might be and see what we can do there. And then I think as well, we want to bring the rest of the other sort of international ecosystem as well there. So we want people to be exposed to that. So a lot of the DeFi apps and that sort of thing that we've been speaking to. So we'll have, you know, panels and talks and that sort of thing.
Yeah.
But we also want to maybe tie it into a hacker house as well. I think the hacker house concept is something that Solana's done a really good job with.
They have.
Yeah. Were you at the hacker house?
It's industry leading.
Yeah.
You know, like other L1s are talking about, we want a Solana Hacker House.
Everyone should do it.
Yeah, they should. And yeah, I went to the Hacker House here. I went to the one in Korea. Like I know Ellie quite well. Like it's I'm very impressed by it. Yeah.
It's impressive, right? And I think the whole point of it is it's a free venue for devs to just go and build stuff, talk to other devs, teams to do stuff, maybe prizes for different sponsors and that sort of thing. I think that whole concept is super important because, and that's why I think Solana's, you know, doing quite well in all of these different, like it hosts a hackathon every 3 months or something like that. And I think the last hackathon, the Riptide hackathon, it had some crazy number of, you know, literally 4 digits of people in probably close to the 8,000-9,000 people signing up or whatever. It was like 500 different projects that submitted, you know, applications of varying sort of levels of whatever it is. But that's awesome. Like even if 10% of those, you know, become real things and succeed,
it'd be huge.
It's huge, right? So huge. I think it's all about like just getting more builders involved.
Yeah.
And that's what we want to do is we want to like help catalyze that and bring some of what Solana's been doing there. And I believe Solana themselves have a hacker house in February.
They do.
In Istanbul as well.
Yeah.
So look, I think it's basically for the next 6 months or so that's like the place to be in the world.